Welcome guys. Today I will do a video of two products I like to use when I wash my car. I will show you the before and after. So here is before washing. So these products are actually a soap and wax wash from Meguiar and a fast ceramic coating from Turtlewax. Okay, so now I washed the car with the Meguiar Ultimate Wax and Wash soap. Dried it off with some microfiber towels. I did not put the tire shine on yet. I will do this at the end. So now it's all dried. I will put on the Turtlewax ceramic coating. Normally you do one spray per panel. You wipe it with a microfiber, and after all the panel is wiped off with one microfiber, I use another microfiber that is drier to wipe it so it's smoother and cleaner. So for the ceramic coating, I have two cloths. I spray a panel, only one spray. I take one cloth, wipe the panel completely. After, take another drier cloth and pass over again. Continue that way. You can also put this ceramic coating on the plastics. It's going to help to shine them a bit, and they won't whiten with the sun. So you do that on the car, all over the car, and also the windows. So for the tires, a Black Magic Tire Wet for a nice tire shine. So the tire shine is on. Now I will take this Turtlewax ceramic coating and I will fume that rim or mag, and I will shine it up a bit. So I'm finished. These are the products I like to use to shine my car. Hope this helped you out. See the nice shine? Thank you for watching.